Trump wants to buy Greenland because the race of Attic has begun.
Trump eyeing off the territory of other nations.
The next president of the United States wants to buy Greenland.
Trump is talking about forceful land grab.
Well, we need Greenland for national security purposes. You don't even need binoculars. You look outside, you have China ships all over the place. You have Russian ships all over the place. We're not letting that happen.
Why does Trump want a country that is so empty, where there is 80% of ice? Does not the White House has get ice? Actually, buying Greenland can be a very profitable deal for America. Moreover, the people of Greenland who are saying that Greenland is not for sale can sell their land to America in one move. How? Do watch the video till the end to know the answer. And if you like today's topic, then press the like button below so that we know what you like and what you don't. Let's get straight to the point. Why does Trump want Greenland? We have a short answer and a long answer. The short answer is that if Russia wants to launch missiles toward America, then the shortest route will be through Greenland. When we think about maps, such a flat map always comes in front of our eyes. But actually, we know that Earth is a sphere. And that's why this is not the shortest route for Russia to America. This is why Trump says that Greenland is important for the national security of America. Is Trump's thinking right or wrong? If you think Trump is right, then right, I am with Trump in the comment. And if you think he is wrong, then right, I am against Trump. Let's see which team win. But what is the long answer? The answer is hidden in history. Historically, all the empires have tried to control the ocean. The one who controls the ocean controls the world. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Controlling all the big ocean gives a strategic advantage. And Russia completely controls the Atlantic Ocean. Today, the North Pole is controlled by Canada, Russia, and Greenland. But America has no control. With the help of Russia, China wants to make a ice lake route so that it can reach Europe directly. Trump wants to change this equation. Enter the race of Attic. During World War II, Nazi Germany had occupied Greenland. Then for the first time, America invaded Greenland and built its military bases there and also established radio station. After World War II, America sold a lot of radio equipment to the government of Greenland for only $1. But in Greenland, this Pacific Air Base, America still operates today. In 1951, there was a deal between Denmark and America, where they give America the right to defend Greenland. So, if Russia's missile have to be stopped, then that work can also be done from this airbase. It is possible that national security is just an excuse. The real reason is economy. Today, Donald Trump has threatened Denmark that if Denmark comes between America and Greenland, then 10% of tariffs will be imposed on Denmark. Economists believe that this can reduce Denmark's GDP by 3 points, and Denmark is a part of EU. So if Trump imposed tariff on Denmark, it means that the EU can also take some steps against America. But Trump is ready to take this risk because Trump is very smart. Actually, America is thinking about the future. Just like in the 20th century, whoever had oil could rule the world. Similarly, in the 21st century, rare earth minerals are going to be important. Mobile phones, computers, batteries, electric vehicles, rare earth minerals are used in everything. And their biggest reserve is in Greenland. Today, due to climate change, glaciers are melting and the oil, gas and minerals under the Arctic Ocean are being exposed. The European Union report says that Greenland has 1.5 million tons of rare earth minerals. Until date, no one had exploited this resource due to ice. Greenland has 80% of ice. Moreover, it is far from Europe and the population is very low. So mining has not happened much here till date. Trump wants to take advantage of this because this is an area where America is behind China. Today, China controls 90% of the world rare earth market. China has started many mining projects in Africa, because of which China has gone far ahead of America. And being second in any race seems like losing to Trump. Today, Greenland's people considered Trump's comments as a threat, but subtitle writer died. Trump knows one weakness of Greenland that he can easily exploit. Greenland is often called the emptiest country in the world. this is the world's largest island with a population of only 57,000, in which the adult population is only 40,000. Do you know what this means? That is, for every person, there is only nature 7 kilometers away. As we said earlier, 80% of Greenland is filled with ice, and there are already military bases of Denmark and USA. But the biggest weakness of Greenland is that today this country is completely dependent on Denmark. 1/5 of their GDPs comes from Denmark subsides. Greenland is not independent. Let me tell you a story. Because Greenland was filled with ice, there were no big airports here. So they asked for help from China. China gave them a loan, but on one condition, that construction will be done by Chinese companies. America did not like this at all, and America told Denmark to interfere. So Denmark did the same. Today, Denmark is funding 2/3 of Greenland's airport project. That is, Greenland is not completely independent. It is a part of Denmark's kingdom. Greenland comes to North America, but still Denmark controls it, which is about 3,000 kilometers away. In 1953, this island was included in Denmark, and in 1979, through a referendum, Greenland was given control of its foreign affairs and defense. There is a referendum, this is a vote, where every eligible citizen participates. Let's imagine a situation in which America does not need to fight a war to take over Greenland. They can easily make Greenland their own part. How? With queening politics. There is nothing to do. Just hold a referendum. That is, the people of Greenland have to ask the question that do you want to be a part of Denmark or America? If they are a part of America, then they have to give American citizenship for $1 million. I mean $1 million per citizen. A small amount for their support. Remember, the adult population there is only 40,000. That is, in $40 billion, without fighting a war, Greenland can become a part of America, leaving Denmark. America did the same mission in 1867, where America bought Alaska from Russia. In 1946, America gave a similar offer to Greenland, but Denmark refused. Then America offered $100 million for the whole of Greenland, which is about $1 million today. And there is no need to go so far back. Trump also tried to buy Greenland in 2019. According to him, this was just a big real estate deal. But in today's world, sending the military to Greenland and forcibly occupying Greenland can be a red flag, because this can spoil American relation with Europe. All scholars of Germany has said that water must not be moved by force. I said it before and I said it again. Today, that Trump is a politician later and a businessman first, and he has invested most of his wealth in real estate. So he knows what the asset is. And in the future, Greenland will be important for American security, economic and geographic expansion. Trump knows this. In 2019, when Trump talked about buying Greenland, the people of Greenland clearly said Greenland is not for sale. But there is an important difference between then and now, and that is Elon Musk. Today, Elon Musk openly supports Trump. He funded Trump's campaign in the last year's election, and you can see the result of this. Trump has won and that too easily. Remember, Elon Musk bought Twitter by giving $44 billion alone. And this is Greenland, a whole country. If America gets it a war, they will have to spend more than $40 billion. Plus, in the eyes of the world, it will become a villain. But this is an easy and profitable way of rigging politics. Of course, there are many competitions in this. For example, it is possible that even after offering money, Greenland does not want to become a part of America. Plus, if you want to run a referendum, then not only the people of Greenland, you will have to ask the whole of Denmark, whose population is about 6 million. But by fighting a war, it will be more beneficial to give reign politics to the people of Greenland and pull them toward you. What do you think? Tell us in the comments below. A new update has come that America wants to pass a new act, Make Greenland Great Again Act. If this bill is passed, then America can enter into official negotiation with Denmark after 20 January. Trump can use Americans' money to buy Greenland, and America will have only 60 days to cancel this deal. If there is no resolution in 60 days, then Greenland will officially belong to America. That is what is the conclusion. The conclusion is that if Russia drops missiles on America, then the chance of it comes from above Greenland. So, along with national security, Greenland seems important to America to stop World War III. Secondly, there has been a history of buying different territories of America. And today, due to Elon Musk, it has become possible to buy Greenland for 40 billion. Hypothetically, yes, but it is possible. Due to which many rare earth minerals of Greenland, which are used in computers, mobile phones, and electric vehicles, will become America's property. And the biggest thing is that this will not make America a villain in the world. America is not thinking about today, not tomorrow, but about next week. That's why it is a superpower. If India wants to become a superpower, then it needs to learn a lot from this attitude of America, which we have explained in this video. In the end, I want to say that to remain a superpower, it is necessary to show your power. Think, in the last 100 years, all big kingdoms has become small. Akhand Bharat was something like this. Today, it is like this. At one time, the sun never set on the English Empire, and now British is not even a part of EU. The USSR has become Russia by becoming smaller, and now it wants to make Ukraine its part and expand again. But America is the only country that has expanded, which started with 13 colonies, has now become 50 states. This also have military bases all over the world, and America, with the help of dollar, show its democracy on world trade. Expansion is essential for any superpower to remain a superpower. The way things are happening one by one, it is clear that Trump's second term is going to be even more aggressive than the first term. Here, India need to take a very careful steps because we have always walked on the tightrope of a non-alignment. Today, if America reaches about taking Greenland, then they have only option. It's not about if they can own Greenland, it's about how. They can buy Greenland directly, or they can send a battleship and a letter to Denmark. That Greenland is ours from today. Do whatever you want. And even though Denmark is a part of the EU, it cannot do anything to America. It can only lecture. It can cry. But the truth is that the people of Greenland will sometimes depend on Denmark and sometimes on America. This is an important reminder for Indians how important self-dependence is in every way. Today, we are geographically surrounded by enemies, but we are economically dependent on them. We are talking about China. We are not as weak as Greenland, but just a Greenland is dependent on Denmark for its economy. We have depended on America for all our softwares and China for all our hardwares. Leave everything else. If tomorrow America tells Google to ban YouTube in India, then we can't do anything either. That is, our media is also being controlled from outside. This is a very scary situation. If we want to keep our independence safe in the coming time, then we will have to be self-dependent in every way. And this is the important thing. It's make a difference to me to reach you.